How are you guys doing? This is Ryan, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk more about Bitcoin Cash and actually make a price prediction on this year and a realistic price prediction. And I think when you hear my price prediction, you may actually think this is a bit unrealistic. And really with Bitcoin Cash not doing anything insanely different than what it's been doing, a realistic price that it would go to. Over the last few weeks, I think we have the last real opportunity to buy into Bitcoin Cash. I bought quite a bit. I'm now up to 40 coins. I'm pretty happy with my position going into the final phases of this bull market. So that's the topic for this week's video. Let's jump into it. Let me first preface that this is not financial advice. These are all my opinions. I could be a delusional human being, but this is my thoughts and opinions towards the market. And please consult a professional before investing into your own money and be responsible for your own risk. But with that said, a lot of new people in the market are probably getting discouraged by crypto not just continuously going up. And even just generally in the stock market, there's probably a lot of people that are just down
because stocks just don't go up.
That is actually not true. But market cycles are a reality, and also past trends are a reality. So that's very important to know. And probably the most important thing to understand is that when the cryptocurrency market cap breaks a new all-time high, it goes parabolic. And again, I'm gonna refer to Mark DeMessel's Trello chart and put it on the screen here. As you can see, patterns of the past continue to show themselves to be true. And I really wanna focus on this part of the chart today, where we go into overvaluation, because this will be a good indication to tell us just how high the total market cap for cryptocurrency can actually get. Today, the market cap is roughly $1.5 trillion. Depending on the day, crypto swings 5 to 10% a day easily. But like I said, when cryptocurrency makes a new all-time high in market cap, it goes parabolic to its trend line. It goes into an overvaluation. And you have to be honest with yourself when you talk about cryptocurrency. It is a very overvalued asset. You are not getting a screaming buy or even fair value. You're paying for high valuations right now, but you're not gonna make 100 bag returns by selling early. So this is why I'm still in the market at this time. And towards the end of this video, I actually want to talk about when we're gonna hit this market high a little bit more, because I want to change my initial prediction for various reasons. So please make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see that. But looking at this overvaluation chart of cryptocurrency, you can see the red line and how far we run above it. And you can see we run 2,000% above it, 1,500% above it, 1,200% above it. So therefore, I think you can modestly say we can run 800% past the trend line. Now, what is the trend line actually telling us? The trend line is telling us the fair market cap value of crypto is somewhere around 800 billion to 900 billion dollars. So again, I want to use sort of round numbers here. If fair market is roughly 800 to 900 billion dollars, if we go up 800% from there, we're gonna have a total market cap of $7 trillion this year, because the patterns of the past tell us every time we make a new high in market cap, the next all-time high is reached within that same year. Now, when this occurs, again, I want to touch on later. So that is my general thesis, is that the market cap of cryptocurrency is likely going to $7 trillion this year. It sounds crazy to say. We're only at $1.5 million. We're gonna go up 4.5 times from here in just general market cap. This is actually probable to happen. And it's also probable it's gonna come crashing down. So knowing when to sell is very important as well. And then when I look at Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash has had roughly a $9 billion evaluation, with the price of the coin being roughly $500 per coin. Now again, I predict this to go up 4.5 times. And that would bring Bitcoin Cash to $2,250. But there's something that we're missing here. What's not priced into that model is that the altcoin cycle that is likely to occur. And what the altcoin cycle indicates to me is that Bitcoin dominance right now is roughly 60%. And when altcoins really outperform that in the later parts of the cycle, that is likely gonna fall to at least 40% and could even go lower to 30%. But these are actually realistic, modest expectations of Bitcoin Cash and what I expect to get my investment on my 40 coins. So again, Bitcoin dominance is roughly 60% of the market. The total market cap cryptocurrency is 60% just in BTC. I think that is likely to fall to 40%, which would mean a 30% decline. And at that time, I would have to give that 30% value to Bitcoin Cash. So therefore, I would throw another 30% on top of that $2,250 price prediction, and that would be an initial $675, and that would bring my total price prediction for Bitcoin Cash in 2021 to be $2,950. $925. And guys, this is without anything else special happening towards Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash hasn't got a lot of love so far in this pump, even though they're doing a lot of great things. And the market's not paying attention to things like they're doing more transactions in Bitcoin Core on chain, that they're building social platforms on top of it. Make sure to follow me on Noise.Cash. My name is Ryan Giffin over there. I love that site. I've made over $50 in free Bitcoin just by writing things on there and publishing content just like I would on Twitter. And the market is also not pointing out the fact that Bitcoin Cash is into DeFi now. And then one of the biggest things that could happen is Kim.com could announce that he's launching Megabox this year, which who knows if it's gonna be this year or another year, but he's a big supporter of Bitcoin Cash. And these things could really push the price even higher. But this is a very realistic price prediction of what I think Bitcoin Cash is going to do. It's going to be really fun to come back and look at this video and just see how accurate I am. I hope I'm on the lower side, but I'm not going to lie, I'd be happy with those returns with owning my 40 Bitcoin Cash at $410. That would be a 7x return, and I'd be very happy with that. I do think in the future Bitcoin Cash will be much larger and can actually make a run at taking over Bitcoin Core because it's like Bitcoin, but it actually works. And if you want to look back at me with my price prediction, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and also tap that notification bell. I know recently I've been getting a lot of supporters while making these Bitcoin Cash videos, so we can all track this together. But something very important I want to talk about is that I think I miscalculated when to sell your cryptocurrency. I talked about doing it in the fall time. I actually just think that the market's gonna get wiser, and I think the race to the exits will be a little bit sooner than that. So I can actually see myself starting to sell some of my cryptocurrency around July. I think things are gonna get very crazy, very fast, and I just really believe that the market will be wiser to the patterns of the past and push this thing up faster and get out sooner. That's something I'm being more convinced of as I study this market. But let me know what you think in the comment section. What's your price prediction for Bitcoin Cash in 2021? When do you see the market topping in 2021? I love all the feedback and I appreciate all the new subscribers to the channel. I do suggest following me on Instagram for more daily content. I post there pretty much daily. My handles are Giffin89. And if you're just finding this channel for the first time, I do suggest checking out some of my older Bitcoin Cash videos that explain more of the fundamentals and the reasons why I'm bullish on it, the real differences between that and Bitcoin Core. I'll put them all down in the comment section below. But that's all I got for today, guys.
I'll see you in my next one.